And good afternoon. We just want to update you here on our social platforms about what's happening this afternoon. We do have a tornado watch. So let me go to the boards here and give you an idea of what I'm talking about. It's not everybody, but it does include a good portion of northeastern and central Pennsylvania. Counties included in this: Pike, Monroe, Carbon, Schuylkill County, also Lackawanna County, Luzerne County. So the Wyoming Valley is under that tornado watch. Columbia, Montour, Northumberland, Snyder, Union counties, and even Center County out in central Pennsylvania. And again, this is a tornado watch, meaning conditions are favorable. It does not mean we have a tornado on the ground right now. That would be a tornado warning. So we're going to continue to watch this. All right, here's the big picture. You can see that low spinning as it's moving into central Pennsylvania, turning counterclockwise. Very typical area of low pressure moving over our region. X marks the spot. There it is. And it's going to continue moving to the east. There's a line of showers and thunderstorms right there moving through central Pennsylvania as we speak. So I'm going to go ahead and update this and show you where those storms are going to be heading next. So we'll take it right down basically from northwestern Sullivan County all the way down to Shamokin. So we'll click on that. And these are some of the towns that these storms will be moving through. Bloomsburg at 139, Benton at 149, Hazleton at 210, Wilkes-Barre be here around 230, and Whitehaven about 226. So again, these storms are all moving to the northeast, and Wyoming Valley is going to be under the gun. But that doesn't necessarily mean that we're not going to see more, because if you look upstream, when I say upstream, where is it coming from? So it's coming from the southwest. So that's where we want to look. You can see there's still more activity back here that has yet to funnel through our region. I'll go ahead and put it in motion here, take that off, and as we go into motion, you can see everything pushing northeast. So we got this initial round that's coming through now, but that's not the end of it. We have what's back towards Harrisburg. Put it on the now image. What's back towards Harrisburg and west of Harrisburg. That's going to be moving through later on this afternoon. So, and if you look down just south of Schuylkill County, I'll zoom in on that area. There's Reading and those areas. That is moving northeast. So this may end up brushing parts of the Poconos. This is moving in this direction here, as well as the other stuff. So that's why I said we have that tornado warning, or tornado watch rather, issued for our southern tier and the Wyoming Valley. It's a tornado watch. It's not a warning. And the conditions are favorable for several of these things. From noon to 7 today, hail certainly possible, damaging winds, 60 plus miles an hour. Also the potential for some isolated tornadoes. So we are watching that. The timing of this, well, remember I said there's two rounds. The one that's coming through central Pennsylvania right now, and then if you look down towards State College, this is future radar, there's that other round that I was telling you about. And that's going to be moving across the Poconos later today and into the evening hours. So as you can see, the time frame, that's why I said anywhere from noon to about 7. You can see those storms moving to the east. They're 6 o'clock, they're 6:30, 7, and just exiting Pike County around 7 o'clock. So tornado watch for parts of our area, not all of it. Proximity is where that low is set up. Northern tier not included in that, but that doesn't mean you can't get a thunderstorm up there. Damaging wind, hail, lightning, and of course you want to be prepared if you're outdoors for changing weather conditions. We did have that line go through the Williamsport area, and when I looked at this, this is a quick live image. It updates every couple seconds from South Williamsport. You can see behind that initial line, now we have some blue sky again, but there's more showers that's going to be moving through this afternoon. This is Carbon County. Down in our southern tier in the Poconos area. This is where we're looking at Blue Mountain, and it's showing it's still dry there, you can tell. And then there's Scranton. And again, we're not seeing much happening here just yet, but we will as we move into the afternoon. That's 66 in Renova. That's some rain-cooled air. 73 in Williamsport as well. You shot up to near 80. And then right now we're at 80 in the Scranton area as we watch that system move through. So just to recap, the system itself is over central Pennsylvania right now. It's going to continue moving east, and that's why we're seeing this initial line: Benton, LaPorte, Dewshore, get ready, Bloomsburg. And then we have some more back here. As you can see, Chambersburg, all of this is going to be heading in our direction as well. When I say our direction, I'm talking about our southern tier and the Poconos. So we're not completely out of the woods yet, even though that initial line moved through central Pennsylvania. You folks out there, be prepared, because you're likely going to be looking at another round there. So we're just updating you, giving you an idea what's going on. The tornado watch is not for everybody, but that doesn't mean you can't have damaging winds and some hail as well. So we're going to continue to track this here in the weather office. And again, stay tuned to WNEP. We'll have more updates coming up at 4 o'clock. The storms will still be here, but mainly over eastern Pennsylvania at that point, and we'll continue to track them live on WNEP. Thanks for joining us, and stay safe.